full spectrum sound. You know, this is the model number SHP 9500s. Now, if you're watching this video, you've probably been doing some research on them. And this is a video made in 2020, by the way, so just so you know, it's ain't an older video. These headphones is, I think they updated them a little bit, but they still perform just as good. But I picked these up to do an unboxing for you guys and to build my own gaming headset, because I do have a couple headsets, and in the past, you know, I got some that's too much cramping for us, and some of the highs is really harsh, and you know, different headsets for different price ranges, but these supposed to be like the best you can build, supposedly on your own, and can hold their own up to them big fancy costly headsets. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is a brand new unit, not remanufactured or anything. This is brand new, and you can get them around, probably, I think right now you can get them around 90 bucks or so, 70 if you're lucky, 75 if you're lucky, but usually around 90. Some dollars after tax and shipping. Now that's because, you know, a lot's going on, and these headphones is getting sought after pretty good. You know, people buying them up, so price gets drove up. Now you can find them remanufactured a little cheaper, and you can find them used a little bit cheaper, but I would have just buy a brand new unit and buy used, even if it's $30 or $40 more. Ooh, I like this. It's very well packaged. Been a while since I unboxed something that's been so good. Now they got 50mm drivers right there, smooth midtones and crisp treble, superior fitting because they are angled, over the ear breathable cushions. That's just some of the benefits. Now this ain't a review video or my thoughts on them, which I will have one coming soon after I use them a little bit, because I can't give you my personal review if I ain't used them before. So let's go ahead and open this up without ripping the box. I ain't the best unboxer. If you watched any of my unboxing videos. Oh. Ooh, I like that. Got a case too. Let's go ahead and save this for last. Let's see what else comes in the thing. A microphone cable. Don't know why I call it a microphone cable, but a headphone cable, jack with adapter. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Any instructions, anything come with this bad boy? No. Trying to keep everything hidden. You know, sometimes the companies do, they put them underneath the main stuff. You know what this is, you can do not eat. Definitely do not eat that. You can just toss this away or keep it up. Either way you want to, just don't eat it. Now this is the headphones. Now this has got to be the lightest headset I owned, and I own, like I said, I own a couple headsets. The quality on them, they kind of, well, it's so light it's hard to tell. You would just have to pick them up yourself. I mean, you probably can't tell these to be on your head. They do swivel. That's what's supposed to make them fit more comfy. They got side to side here. That's where your headphone jack goes. They do adjust. That's pretty cool. My cat just jumped up on the table. Hey kitty, you gonna do an unboxing video? I wonder what they feel like. Let's see. Wow. You can't even tell. They are on your head, actually. I don't know how they sound, but I'm definitely gonna have to try them out. But that's all you get in the box. like I said, I am making this a gaming headset build, so I will be unboxing the microphone attachment that I bought for this to go on it, and then I will be doing a review on it. You know, I can tell you got to be very, you can't just toss these in a bag or anything. You probably want to keep the box and put them in, because these they don't feel the sturdiest, but like I said, it could be where it's so light, but that's what makes them great. V-moda Boom Pro microphone. Now this goes with a headset that I picked up. Now you can pick these up on Amazon, but Amazon is sold out, and eBay is pretty well sold out, but I did manage to find somebody with one, and this is pretty much a new open box, is what I was told. It has been opened. I ain't never opened it, but everything is just as good as factory, so we will check it out and see for ourselves. I hate buying used stuff, but a lot of times you can find sellers with good feedback and you can get great stuff, but if I can, I usually buy new. If anybody knows me, well, it even came with please do not return to retailer. So we contact V-moda, probably for returns or warranty. This is the adapter to PC and Mac, should be. It is. You can use any 35mm one of these if you got one. This one don't feel the best quality. It's got a little microphone here, a little headphone on the sides of them, but it is what it is. We throw it over there because I got a longer one of those. Now we need to open this, or does this just slide out? And this is the main part of the headset mic right here. Very flexible. That's the first thing I noticed. It don't feel cheap, actually. This feels cheap. This actually feels very good. Huh. It's very twisty too, so that's good. Now this headset's gonna run you quite a bit of money. This is on and no, that clips on. Oh, it's got a volume control for the mic. Or was that for the headset too? Huh. Didn't know it came with that. On and off is probably going to be not here. So no on and off switch as I can see. Button. Yeah, right here. Mic on, mic off. Okay. That's pretty good then. Volume and that. I thought you would have to manually go in and change that, but on this headset it looks like you don't. But that's what you get in the box with the V-moda. If I missed anything by buying this pre-opened box, let me know if you all got one of these before and if it came with more stuff. But this is basically what's supposed to be in it, and that's basically what we got. Yeah, 1 year premium warranty. Pretty cool. I'm going to be assembling the Philips what's this, the Philips SHP 9500. If you're watching this video, you probably done heard the hype with the V-moda Boom Pro. Now I am assembling this at a time that some of these can be hard to get, especially with what's going on in the world today, but if you look around you can still find them. Sometimes you might have to buy used. This was an open box, but it looked brand new. This was a brand new unit, and prices may depend on what it is. Now you get a nice little bag to put your headphones in, but I suggest with these headphones, if you watch my unboxing, to actually get a hard shell box for them. You don't want to just toss them into a bag. So to assemble these, to make them a gaming headset, it's pretty simple. I'm actually making a video on it, hard to believe. But you take the V-moda, it's got the jack right here, and it unplugs, as you can see, and you just plug it in. Boom, just like so. And if you can't tell, guys, we now have a working headset. And I need to spin that round back. Yeah. Now we got a working headset. And looks like it's got a volume control here and a mic on and off, which is good. And it's got plenty of cable to work with. And it ain't real heavy. The clamping force on these is very light. I'll be doing a review on them very soon, but I can tell you the sound is amazing with them. So everything you heard about them is pretty much true. So I hope you enjoyed this short, super short assembly video of turning this headset into a gaming headset. If you did, drop me a like. If you used these before, leave a comment. If you're watching this video for some reason, I'd love to hear why. Like, are you looking into building your headset or a better headset that you can hear better footsteps or something with in Call of Duty or something? This headset is great for that. So show your support for my channel if you haven't already by hitting that subscribe button, and check us out over on Twitch, TattsForLife. Thank you for watching.